verlore in die donker van jou eie gedagtes. You don't even know who you're becoming anymore. Jy kyk in die spieël en sien net die letsels van gister. All you see is the pain you've been hiding inside. Jy voel soos niks, soos iets wat nog nie gevorm het nie. Like you're stuck in a phase you don't understand. Jy dra al die seer wat niemand anders kan sien nie. Carrying wounds no one ever planned. Jy stap al lank, maar jy weet nie waarheen nie. Walking roads that don't lead anywhere. Jy vra jouself of iemand ooit sal omgee. Wondering if anybody's really there. Jy steur soveel fases, jy het al gebreek en weer probeer. You've been changing slowly through every tear. Al voel jy vastgevang in hierdie oomblik van pyn. One day you'll see this was part of your design. Jy is soos 'n butterfly, nog besig om te groei. You're becoming something beautiful, just wait and see. Jy begin rou en gebreek sonder rigting of plek. But you're turning into more than you think you can. Eendag gaan jy stilstaan en jouself herken. One day you'll look back and understand. Dan gaan jy vlieg sonder enige vrees. You'll spread your wings and finally be free. Jy voel die pyn soos golwe wat oor jou spoel. The hurt keeps crashing, it never feels still. Jy weet nie altyd hoe om weer op te staan nie. You're losing strength, losing your will. Te lank die pad gestap sonder einde in sig. Been walking forever with no finish line. Maar iets binne jou sê hou net nog vast. There's a voice inside saying you'll be fine. Jy's nie gebreek nie, jy's besig om te word. You're not lost, you're just being reborn. Elke tram bou die mens wat jy moet wees. Every scar is shaping your release. Jy is soos 'n butterfly, nog besig om te groei. You're becoming something beautiful, just wait and see. Jy begin rou en gebreek sonder rigting of plek. But you're turning into more than you think you can. Eendag gaan jy stilstaan en jouself herken. One day you'll finally understand. Dan gaan jy vlieg sonder enige vrees. You'll spread your wings and finally be free. Jy het gedink jy's verlore, maar jy was net op pad. You thought you were broken, but you were just becoming. Elke donker nacht het jou nader gebring. Every dark night meant something was coming. Jy sterker as wat jy ooit besef het. You're more than the pain you've been feeling. Nou is dit jou tyd om te wys wie jy is. Now it's your time to start healing. Jy is soos 'n butterfly, kyk hoe mooi jy word. You're rising now just like you deserve. Niks gaan jou keer nie, niks hou jou terug. Nothing can stop you, you're breaking through. Jy maak jou vlekke oop en vat die wêreld aan. You spread your wings and learn to stand. En jy leef hier, voel. You finally find a life that's real. Jy was nooit lelik nie, net onvoltooid. You were never broken, just becoming whole.